In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a busy salon, a thriving spa, or any service-based business, Fresha provides a comprehensive platform to manage your bookings. And part of this management includes blocking out time in your calendar. This is especially useful for times when you or your staff are unavailable for appointments, perhaps due to meetings, breaks, or even personal time off. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Fresha, specifically designed for business use. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that to proceed. After clicking, you will find an option that reads Fresha for Professionals. This is the one you want to choose because it's tailored for individuals like you who are managing business operations. Upon selecting Fresha for Professionals, the next step will guide you to Continue with Google. This is where you can log in using your Google account, streamlining the process by linking your Fresha account to an existing account you own. This step helps in avoiding the need to remember another set of login credentials, making your access quicker and more secure. After clicking Continue with Google, it's time to choose your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your business or the one you intend to use for business purposes. This step is crucial for ensuring that your business schedules and personal Google activities remain separate, if that's your preference. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Calendar button. If you're new to Fresha, the calendar is essentially your command center. It's where all your bookings, client information, and now your blocked times will be managed. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so even first-timers should find it navigable. Upon accessing your calendar, click on an empty time slot on the day you wish to block time. This action indicates that you're earmarking this specific part of the day for non-client activities or breaks. It's important to regularly update your calendar this way to avoid overbooking and to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Next, you'll see an option to add blocked time. By selecting this, you're moving one step closer to ensuring your calendar reflects your true availability. This is the moment where you designate this slot specifically as non-bookable time, differentiating it from client appointments. Now it's time to add a title to your blocked time slot. This could be anything from lunch break, staff meeting, to personal time. Naming these blocks is helpful for you and your team to quickly identify the nature of the block at a glance without needing to delve into details. Following the title, you're prompted to add a date. This ensures that your block time is assigned correctly in your calendar. Remember, accuracy here is key to avoiding any scheduling mishaps. Next up, you'll add your time slots. This involves specifying the start and end times for your blocked period. Being precise with your times helps to manage expectations with your team and your clients, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding availability. Furthermore, if the block time is specific to a certain team member, this is where you assign it accordingly. If you're managing multiple professionals, assigning blocked time to the right team member is essential for maintaining an orderly schedule that accurately reflects each person's availability. Finally, after double checking that all the information you've entered is correct and reflects your intended block time accurately, you're ready to hit save. With that, you've successfully blocked off time in your Fresha calendar, ensuring that this time is dedicated to whatever you've planned, be it personal breaks, meetings, or any other non-client related activities. Remember, regularly updating your calendar with block time not only helps in managing your own schedule, but also enhances the booking experience for your clients by accurately reflecting when you or your team members are available for appointments. This small but significant act of calendar management can greatly improve operational efficiency and client satisfaction. And there you have it. Blocking time on your Fresha calendar is as simple as that. By following these steps, you ensure that your business runs smoothly, your team is well coordinated, and your clients are always informed. This practice, though seemingly straightforward, is instrumental in managing a successful service-based business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to apply these steps to make your scheduling process as seamless as ever.